Off-the-shelf pressure washers work great until they don't. When your operation has specific needs that basic equipment can't handle, you need something built exactly for how you work. At Universal Trailer and American Waterworks, we specialize in custom, heavy-duty pressure washers engineered for your exact application. Want a specific GPM and PSI combo? Need it trailer-mounted for maximum mobility? Require hot water capability with particular fuel requirements? We build it to your specs, not ours. Our custom units handle everything from industrial manufacturing facilities to municipal cleaning operations to specialty applications where standard equipment just fails. We're talking bomb-proof construction, commercial-grade components, and configurations designed around your workflow instead of forcing you to adapt to some manufacturer's generic setup. We work with you from concept to delivery, ensuring every detail matches your operational needs. Stop settling for almost right equipment. Contact Universal Trailer and American Waterworks, and let's build your perfect heavy-duty pressure washer.